Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am in Florida with my mom and my sisters, and I thought I would do a what I wore this weekend in Florida. So it is our first full day here and we're laying by the pool all day, so I just want to share my outfit for just a relaxing little pool day. So I just have on this doe-in white nightgown slip dress as a cover-up. I have on this black bikini underneath, and then my hat is from Madewell, the one I just got recently. And this is my outfit for today. Here's my look for night one. We are going to a Mediterranean restaurant, and I am wearing this old Zara dress that my cousin gave me. I absolutely love it. I think it really resembles that low drop waist style that I really am into this summer. And then I also love the high neck on it. I don't know if it's still around because it is probably old Zara, but I'm sure they have something very similar. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my Beckett Simonon ballet flats that I recently just got. I absolutely love them. I think they look so good with every single outfit. And then I just slick my hair back in a bun. I'm not wearing any jewelry besides my everyday jewelry. But yeah, this is my outfit for night one. This is not really an outfit, but I'm still gonna share because number one, I'm obsessed with this tank that's actually my sister's, and she got it at, where did you get it at? TJ Maxx. And these pants are just so comfy, and I think this is a really good little chic loungewear outfit. So I have these Kai Intimates pants, and then this tank, which I'm obsessed with, is from TJ Maxx. My sister says it comes in a set of 3. There's a white, gray, and black one. But I absolutely love, here I'll kneel down so you can see it, but I love the neckline. I love how thick the material it is. It's just so nice. So this is my little PJ set slash like loungewear outfit for the trip. And these are so comfy. So if you're looking to invest in some nicer lounge pants, highly recommend these. But just wanted to share, even though this is not like an outfit, I still think I really wanted to share this tank. I'm gonna try and find it and link it down below. But I absolutely love it. Just got ready for the night. I think we're just gonna hang in, but still wanted to get a little bit dressed up for my last night in Florida. I'm just wearing this slip dress, this cotton slip dress. Let me put you down so you can see the full thing. I thrifted it and I just love it. It's just so easy and flowy and comfortable. And then I'm wearing my A. Emery sandals with them because we're not going anywhere, so I just threw those on. So that is my look. And then my everyday jewelry, which is just this Majuri necklace my boyfriend gave me, as well as my little David Yurman bracelet that he also gave me. So that's my outfit for tonight. Super simple, super easy. My aunt has this one dress that I was gonna put on because I love it to show you guys. It's a theory dress, but I can't find it. But if I find it, I'll put it on and show you guys because I just think it's such a good silhouette and style for the summertime, and I love it. I've worn it once before. So if I find it, I'll put it on and share it with you guys. But yeah, this is night 2. Sharing my last outfit for what I am wearing in Florida. It's a quick video because I'm only here for the short little Memorial Day weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my outfits. For this last look, I have another elevated loungewear look. I'm just hanging out at the house for the rest of the night, and this is what I'm wearing. So I have on the same tank as my other loungewear outfit. This is my sister's that I'm borrowing, and I just love it. It's from TJ Maxx, like I mentioned. And then my Lisette pants. I love these pants. I love the pointel detailing. That's a very popular style, the pointel pattern for this summer season, and I absolutely love these. They're so chic looking, and they instantly dress up a loungewear outfit. And then I just have on my A. Emery sandals because I think we might go and get some ice cream later. So this is the last look. But that is everything I wore while I was here on vacation with my mom and my sisters for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very short, but I hope you got some outfit inspiration maybe for your short little weekend trip. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Love you.